Well, Rhys, you're new in this squad this time. Yours is a very interesting background. I mean, I see you were born in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. Tell me a bit about that.
Yeah, no, that's right. I was born in Riyadh. My old man obviously worked out there, and then my mum obviously lived with him. Born out there, lived there for about 3-4 years. Moved back to the UK briefly, and then moved out to Kenya for another 3 years. Before actually moving back to Aberystwyth and settling down there at the age of 7. My mum and my dad previously lived in Aberystwyth before moving away for work reasons, so obviously it was just the right reason to go back to Aber. Obviously brought up there, I went to primary school, Welsh primary school, then went to an English secondary school, Ysgol Penglas, and then obviously got into the football and then haven't looked back really. So I was a part of the Swans Academy growing up and then got released at under 16s. And then I thought the best option was to move away, so I ended up going to a boarding school in South East London called Royal Russell. Just did my A-levels there, just playing for the sixth form and for the independent schools, and then managed to get picked up by Sheffield United. I mean, I was going to go uni. I did my ASs, my A-levels, accepted into Southampton Uni, and then just got signed up. So yeah, obviously I'm not going to say no to the opportunity of playing football, so yeah.
You were more talking about the pathway, getting into the senior squad now. Did it come unexpectedly?
Yeah, it did come unexpectedly. I had it in the back of my mind that it could be a possibility. Obviously, having started the season well at Luton, I thought it could happen, it could not, but either way, I'm happy to be here. I mean, it's been a great experience so far. I've loved every single minute. Even though I haven't played, it's just been good to be around the boys. But I mean, I set my target at the beginning of the season to get a call up to the senior squad by the end of the season. So I mean, it's come sooner than I thought it would have. But yeah, obviously looking at the squad, it's young. I played with quite a few of the boys at under 21s level, and a couple of under 19s as well. But even the more senior boys, I mean, they're easy to get along with, and it's just it's good being involved. And just I mean, coming into the squad initially, you're always a little bit nervous and you think, oh, I might not integrate well, but obviously they welcome you in, and it's good.
Any particular allegiance to a particular club when you were growing up? Who did you support?
Yeah, Man United. I'd say growing up, Man United.
Does it feel surreal sometimes? You're out there being coached by Ryan Giggs, one of the all-time greats at a fantastic football.
Yeah, no, he was a fantastic player. He's a great manager as well. I'm just looking forward to obviously working under him a lot more. Welsh football does seem to be in a good place. Obviously we've got this year now leading into the 2021 Euros. Obviously on a personal note, it'd be great to be involved in that, but we'll take everything as it comes. I mean, there's a lot of club football and international football to be played up until then. But no, hopefully we can do something special.